Imagine waking up every morning knowing exactly where your life is going. Imagine having so much clarity that every decision you make brings you one step closer to the future you've always dreamed about. Most people believe success belongs to the lucky few. They think successful people were born with special talents, better opportunities, or perfect timing. But what if that's not true? What if success is actually built through simple decisions repeated every single day? What if the biggest difference between ordinary and extraordinary people isn't intelligence, money, or connections, but the habits they choose, the goals they set, and the person they become? Today, we're diving into some of the most powerful life principles ever taught by legendary motivational speaker Jim Rohn. These lessons have inspired entrepreneurs, leaders, students, and dreamers around the world for decades because they focus on timeless truths instead of quick fixes. In this video, you'll discover why your future should inspire you more than your past, why your environment matters more than you think, how your daily habits shape your destiny, why your reason for success is more important than success itself, and how becoming a better person naturally attracts better opportunities. These ideas may sound simple, but if you truly understand them and apply them consistently, they can completely transform your life. So stay with me until the very end, because the final lesson might become the one idea that changes your future forever. Lesson 1, the promise of the future. One of the greatest gifts we have as human beings is the ability to imagine a better future. Jim Rohn believed that the promise of tomorrow is one of the strongest sources of motivation. Think about it. Whenever life becomes difficult, what keeps people moving forward isn't usually what happened yesterday. It's the hope that tomorrow can be better. Every successful person has learned to spend more time looking ahead than looking behind. The past can teach valuable lessons, but it should never become the place where we permanently live. Many people allow past failures, disappointments, or mistakes to define who they are. Jim Rohn challenged this idea. He encouraged people to create a vision so exciting that it pulls them forward every single day. Your future should become bigger than your fears. When you have a meaningful destination, temporary setbacks lose their power. Challenges become part of the journey instead of reasons to quit. Start asking yourself what kind of life you truly want to build 5 or 10 years from now. What skills do you want to develop? What relationships do you want to strengthen? What legacy do you want to leave? The clearer your vision becomes, the stronger your motivation will be. Every great achievement begins as an idea in someone's imagination. Protect that vision, feed it every day, and let it become the force that guides your actions. Lesson 2, goals give direction. Jim Rohn often said that discovering the power of goal setting completely changed his life. Goals are much more than dreams written on paper. They give your life direction. Imagine driving across a country without knowing your destination. You might keep moving, but you'll waste time, energy, and resources because you don't know where you're going. Life works the same way. Without clear goals, people stay busy but rarely make meaningful progress. Goals help you focus your attention on what truly matters. They help you prioritize your time and make better decisions. Instead of reacting to life, you begin creating it intentionally. However, Jim Rohn also believed that goals should inspire you emotionally. They shouldn't simply be numbers or possessions. They should represent the kind of life you want to experience and the person you want to become. Write your goals down, review them often. Break large goals into smaller daily actions that you can accomplish consistently. Remember that success isn't built in one giant leap. It's built through thousands of small steps taken with purpose. Even if your goals change over time, the habit of setting meaningful targets will continue guiding your growth. Every day you move toward your goals, you become stronger, wiser, and more confident. That's the hidden reward of goal setting. Lesson 3, your environment shapes your life. Many people underestimate how much their environment influences their future. Jim Rohn taught that the people around us, the books we read, the conversations we have, and even the places we spend our time quietly shape our beliefs and decisions. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity, excuses, and people who have given up on their dreams, it becomes much harder to stay motivated. On the other hand, when you're surrounded by positive thinkers, ambitious people, valuable knowledge, and encouraging relationships, success begins to feel more natural. Your environment isn't just physical, it's also mental and emotional. Pay attention to what you watch online, what you listen to every day, and what thoughts you allow to stay in your mind. Every influence either strengthens your future or weakens it. Jim Rohn encouraged people to become contributors to their environment rather than victims of it. Bring encouragement wherever you go, share knowledge, lift others, build relationships based on honesty, growth, and respect. You may not be able to change every situation immediately, but you can always choose how you respond and who you allow to influence your life. A healthy environment doesn't guarantee success, but it makes success much easier to achieve. Lesson 4. Small habits create extraordinary results. Success rarely arrives because of one dramatic event. More often, it grows from small habits repeated consistently over months and years. Jim Rohn believed that the little things matter because they eventually become the big things. Reading 10 pages every day may not seem impressive today, but after 1 year, you've read thousands of pages. Saving a small amount of money each week may appear insignificant, but over time it builds financial security. Exercising for 30 minutes every day strengthens both your body and your discipline. Positive habits create momentum. They slowly change your identity until success becomes part of who you are. Likewise, small negative habits also grow over time. Procrastination, excuses, laziness, and poor decisions rarely destroy a life overnight. They slowly steal opportunities one day at a time. That's why personal integrity matters. Keep the promises you make to yourself. Show up when you say you will. Finish what you start. Every time you keep a commitment, your confidence grows. Every time you break one, your confidence weakens. Your daily routine is quietly creating your future. If you want different results tomorrow, begin changing your habits today. The greatest investment you can make is in the person you are becoming through your daily actions. Lesson 5. Know your why and become the right person. Jim Rohn taught that the secret isn't just asking how to become successful. The real question is why you want success in the first place. A powerful reason gives you the strength to keep going when life becomes difficult. Your why keeps you working when motivation disappears. It reminds you why your sacrifices matter. Maybe you want to provide a better life for your family. Maybe you want financial freedom, personal growth, or the opportunity to help others. Whatever your reason is, make sure it is meaningful enough to inspire consistent action. Jim Rohn also warned people not to chase goals so aggressively that they lose their character, relationships, or peace of mind. Success without integrity is failure in disguise. Instead of trying to force opportunities to come to you, focus on becoming the kind of person opportunities naturally seek. Improve your communication skills, build your knowledge, develop honesty, kindness, discipline, and generosity. The more valuable you become, the more valuable opportunities you attract. Personal development is the foundation of lasting success. And finally, remember that the greatest purpose of achieving your goals isn't simply personal gain. It's having the ability to contribute more to others, inspire people around you, and leave the world a little better than you found it. Jim Rohn's message is as powerful today as it was decades ago because human success still follows the same timeless principles. Your future begins with the choices you make today. Create a vision that excites you. Set meaningful goals. Build positive habits. Choose an environment that encourages growth. Discover your deeper reason for success. Most importantly, focus every day on becoming a better person because lasting success always starts from within. Remember, life doesn't simply get better by chance. It gets better when you get better. Every small decision you make today is shaping the person you'll become tomorrow. So don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Start where you are, use what you have, and take one meaningful step forward today. If this message inspired you, share it with someone who needs encouragement, subscribe for more motivational content, and remember, your future is created by what you consistently do, not by what you occasionally dream.